Welcome back to another Mount Pleasant Minute. I'm Autumn Klein, the Community Engagement Strategist, and today I'm here with Claire O'Loughlin, one of our environmental managers for the town. Today we're working on a really exciting project partnering with the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources and Charleston County School District to kind of rebuild the marshes here at Alhambra Hall. So Claire, first I'm going to have you tell me, just explain what exactly you guys are doing here today.
Yeah, so today we have students from Charleston County School District coming, and they are all going to take part in a program with DNR where we actually go out and plant marsh grass into our marsh to help restabilize our shorelines and help prevent erosion and just preserve this beautiful ecosystem.
Walk me through how this impacts the environment and the ecosystem, what exactly this does.
So vegetation, like this marsh grass that you see back there, underneath the ground, the roots all come together and it actually helps stabilize the shoreline. So when these plants aren't present, the winds, waves can help remove that sediment and actually decrease our amount of shoreline that is here. So when we add more plants and kind of expand our environment, we're adding to that stability, that stabilization, and allows the marsh to not decrease but actually increase, improving habitat, improving shoreline stabilization, and just overall improving our community.
That's really incredible that you guys are able to do that. Why would you say that it is so important to teach students at a young age about environmental preservation?
Yeah, it's definitely important to talk to students while they're in school, while they're learning about these things, so that they know for the bulk of their lives how important this work is, and how not only are you going to see the impacts now, this is going to kind of set the pace for what this marsh looks like years into the future. And when kids are learning this in school and they are working on it in their daily lives, they will continue to tell their friends, tell their family members, and then school students in the next generation as well. So it kind of just helps instill it young in students' minds, and then it will help them be stewards for life.
So how exactly did this project come to be?
So we've worked with DNR and Charleston County School District before on oyster reef builds and marsh grass plantings at Pitt Street Bridge. Pitt Street Bridge is under construction right now, so that site was not available. So we have the beautiful Alhambra Hall as a different site. We can't do the oyster reef planting, unfortunately, right now. So what we are going to do is just plant as much marsh grass as we can to make as much of a positive impact on the marsh as we can.
Well, that's really amazing. It sounds like it's going to be a great project. Well, thank you so much, Claire, for joining us today and giving us all the information about the project you're working on. Alhambra Hall is still under renovations currently, and we'll have more on that for you later. But once it's open, you can come out and see all the work that these students are doing here today. We'll see you next time on the next Mount Pleasant Minute.